Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix FiveM not launching or opening. So it's very easy to fix this issue up. So if you got Rockstar, just simply turn off Rockstar from right over here, like just make it go away. Now after that you need to go to your task manager and just simply make sure that FiveM or Rockstar isn't running in the background. So if it is, just simply end task like this, and it will just end the task and check after that. And if it's still not working, just simply press on Windows plus R and you need to type in %app data % and then press OK. Now right over here you need to find your Rockstar file. So I don't have Rockstar because I don't use it, but inside app data you gotta go to local and then you gotta find your Rockstar file. So right over here, for example, Rockstar games, you gotta right over here, and obviously when you have GTA 5 and your launcher, so you can just simply press on the game and you can find the game right over there. And you can also drag the GTA 5 folder out of there, and let's say there is a file called launcher right over here, so you gotta rename it and make sure it's called GTA. And once you've done that, just simply save it like this and you're good to go. And after that, once you open up the FiveM, it will start working. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this actually helped you. I'll see you in the next one.